Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are in the autumnal and festive mood, because I am. Popped into Homesense today, and the one thing I did need, I didn't find. Any recommendations of nice, pretty dressing table stalls, please let me know. I did find a whole bunch of other things that I really want to show you guys. So today's video, we're doing a cozy autumnal / Christmas haul. I'm going to tell you everything I got plus the prices. If you are new to this channel, by the way, my name is Sophie. I make 3 videos on this channel every single week on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays, all about living your best life on a budget. So I would subscribe if I was you. I have just moved house. There's going to be lots of these kind of things. I'm going to be doing homey updates as well as Christmas food taste tests coming very soon. It's all going on in this channel. Make sure you are subscribed. Also grab your cup of tea. It's actually really cold today. Feeling super cozy. Got my candles lit, got my pumpkins out, got my leaf fairy lights. You guys know I've always got some kind of fairy light going on. Shall we go? Should we get into the haul? If you're excited, give the video a thumbs up and let's go. Let's do it. Guys, honestly, I think this is the best Homesense haul I've done. I don't know what to start with. I've got so many good bits. Okay. We're gonna start Christmas. We're gonna start Christmas. First thing I did end up picking up is this absolutely beautiful Christmas stocking. Now, Homesense have some really gorgeous Christmas stockings. Myself and Lawrence, who is my boyfriend, we both have our Christmas stockings from Homesense that we got last year. Yeah, last year, and they're really nice, they're really original, and we will definitely be keeping them for the rest of our lives. Wanted to get another one for the house and just for like people coming over, so I bought this one because I think it will look so gorgeous hanging up in the house. It's this beautiful, really well made, it's kind of like the felt woolly type material. It's got this gorgeous little mouse holding what I thought was a palm tree, but I think it's like a broom. And then it has these lovely little beads here and these gorgeous pom-poms. You guys know I love a pom-pom, so I thought this was absolutely beautiful. Homesense do some gorgeous, like really nice stockings. I highly recommend you go and look in there, or TK Maxx, because TK Maxx stocks a lot of what Homesense does. Check in either of those stores because they're a lot cheaper than places like John Lewis, but they're like premium quality. This stocking was £12.99. If you are an OG on this channel, put your hands up. But also, you will know that I've just moved house and I'm making a home office at the moment. I will be filming in my new home office very soon, and there will be a lovely picture of it uploaded on Instagram when it's done as well. I wanted to be prepared for the first week of November when officially Christmas is started and I can stop looking like such an obsessed Christmas freak and actually justifiably talk about Christmas. I purchased a Christmas tree, as you do, at the beginning of October. Look how gorgeous this is, honestly. So first of all, it looks like one of those mini real Christmas trees, which I really like. I like that aesthetic. Probably one of the most realistic fake trees I've ever seen in my life. And I wanted to have this like on my desk while I'm filming in there. And it's got pine cones in there that look like they have snow on. Glitter within the green kind of plastic here. So it's like got this nice shine to it. What I might do is just add some tiny little fairy lights to it just so it lights up as well. That's like the only thing I think is missing. And it's got this lovely sack at the bottom which gives it like that realistic Nordic style, which I love. We'll be seeing this from the first week of November onwards, hopefully in my home office, because it would be nearly done by then. So by the way guys, I was quite shocked. This tree was £20. You can pay £20 for a faux tree that doesn't even look that great, to be honest. This is perfect. I would hurry up and get down to Homesense because you know they're all going to be sold out. They also had tons of wreaths, which made me so happy. Obviously it's Homesense, so I had to get a candle. I did pick up this gorgeous DW Home candle. DW Home is probably one, if not my favourite candle making company. You have to find the DW Home candles in Homesense. They are always absolutely delightful. This is Farmhouse Cider and it's one of their Christmas candles and it smells like Christmas. It's such a nice smell. I also love it because it's a wood wick. I've had wood wick candles before and they are so nice. They crackle, they just make a really nice noise when they're burning. This scent just smells incredible and it's everything that my house smells of, which is like
cinnamon, candy, pumpkin, Christmas.
Halloween cupcakes. Yeah, that's what it smells like. Candle was £7.99, which is actually a little bit pricier for DW Home because normally it's like really cut down. but I think it's because it's a wood wick candle, and it's quite a big candle to be fair. I also treated myself, because what is life without a treat, to a box of socks. Honestly, you really have to be an OG to know this. Socks are, along with PJs, but socks are my favourite item of clothing. I love socks. I love a nice pair of socks. They have to have nice patterns on, they have to be really comfy, and they have to be really cozy. Ever since I've moved, I've realised that half my socks have literally gone missing. It's so frustrating. They do these lovely boxes, which, by the way, would be absolutely perfect for Christmas presents. Stocking fillers. If someone put this in my stocking at Christmas, I would be so happy. Like, this is exactly the kind of stuff I want. This was £14.99. It's from the company Sock Shop Wild Feet, and it has some gorgeous patterns. So we've got moon and stars, puffins. Are they puffins? And the best one of all, a cat, a black cat in a pink scarf. I just think that's so cute. I just think they are really, really gorgeous, and I really flipping love them. I love it. Christmas tea towels. You guys know I just love a good tea towel, and in this household we love our food, so we're always in the kitchen cooking, always. So I like to have like nice little Christmassy knickknacks in the kitchen, because it can be a room that you forget, like there's nowhere really to put a tree and blah blah blah. These are such good quality. I absolutely love the kind of thick towely tea towels. I don't like the kind of thin ones that don't soak much up. I don't know what you use those ones for, but these are like the nice thick ones that will soak loads of water up. They have basically a Christmas village at the bottom. It's snowing, it's got Christmas trees and a dog and a candy shop and a snowman. So yeah, very nice, really like them. And these were only £5.99. They did actually have tons and tons of Christmas tea towels in, by the way, so I'd go and have a look. This is so adult of me, like so adult. Some coffee. I have not been a coffee person my entire life until like, I'd say until about 6 months ago. I started getting into coffee. I especially love flavoured coffees, and I picked up some pumpkin pie ground coffee. This from a brand I've never heard of before, Sweetie Pie. I think that's the brand. Oh no, Paramount Coffee. I normally get this other brand, I can't remember the name. I did actually go in there specifically to look for the Cinnabon coffee, but unfortunately they didn't have it this time, so I'm going to keep going back. But today I settled for pumpkin pie coffee. I just really enjoy these things from Homesense. This was £3.99. Guys, I'm so excited about this. I do not spend enough time in like the skincare, the face care section. I was looking there is a lot of nice things. I did manage to quickly grab this though. This is a Morris & Co. Lavender Eye Mask. Oh my gosh, it smells unbelievable. It smells unbelievable. It's soothing my nerves, my soul, my anxiety, everything, just by smelling the box, let alone the eye mask. I just think this is so beautiful. So it's like this really soft, it's very thick eye mask, and it's just absolutely full to the brim of lavender. Lavender is something I desperately need, like day in, day out, because it does genuinely relax you. Very excited to use it. I just thought if there's like ever a moment where I'm feeling a bit stressed, or I'm struggling to sleep, or I have a lot on, or a headache, I just think something like this would be really, really nice to reach for. A nice little treat. Treat your body, you know, treat your face, treat your eyes, treat your soul. This was actually only £4.99. I don't know how long these last. I want it to last forever. I want it to smell like this forever. So if you do have one of these, do let me know in the comments down below how long it lasts, because I don't know. Can it last forever? And along with that, I also quickly picked up some green tea eye masks. Here, these are so fabulous for brightening your eyes and waking your eyes up. When I wake up in the morning, it's not a pretty sight, I'm not joking. My eyes are always like out here puffy, and obviously I don't get enough sleep, I don't think. Is that the reason? I do find that anything green tea-esque on my face is really, really great for evening out my complexion. I think it's the Body Shop. They do this gorgeous green tea face mask. Highly recommend it. Also Sephora do it as well. Highly recommend it. It's so, so nice for your skin. Evens out your complexion, makes everything look more alive and awake, and it's just really nice. So I thought I would try these little eye masks out. I'm probably going to use one tonight, and I will probably let you know over on Instagram what I think. I'm also going to be filming some new house speed cleans with me very, very soon, don't worry. I had a look through their cleaning aisles. They had a lot of natural cleaning products, like good for the planet, ethical, all of that. So I picked up 2 things. Bathroom cleaner, which is a completely natural cleaner. So it's really nice on the planet and it's vegan, it's cruelty free and all of that. So this is from a brand called Power and Gentle, and apparently it's great for descaling around taps, things like that, you know, just sprucing up your bathroom. I also picked up this stain and odor remover, which is from the brand Eeee, and it's plant powered, so it's plant-based cleaning product, and it removes stains and odours. I thought I would try this out. I've never actually seen it before. There does seem to be a lot of products under the brand Eeee, so it's definitely something that I need to check out more. I probably will do a kind of ethical cleaning haul very, very soon, shortly. The bathroom cleaner was £2.99 and the stain removal thing was also £2.99. Okay, the next thing is really hard to show you, but I picked up this gorgeous, gorgeous mat, and it's an outdoor mat that's going to be outside my back doors and lead into my living room. I'm so excited about this. It's the cutest thing. It has the footprints on it, but it also has paw prints, and I just love it. I thought it was so, so adorable because obviously we've got 2 beautiful little fur babies, my 2 cats, Mitzi and Ditzy, who I love with all my heart, and I just want to make it clear that this is their home as well. So we come in here, the cats come in and wipe their little paws. So I thought this was really cute. I couldn't resist. It's kind of like a subtle pet one. This was only £5.99 and it's huge and it's thick, and now I'm living in the middle of the country. My shoes are always muddy. It is muddy in the countryside, so we need these. Like, I need these. I actually can't wait to start filming Christmas food videos, Christmas decoration haul videos, Christmas decorate with me videos, Christmas eating videos, Christmas dinner making videos, like Christmas recipes. Just, there's so many Christmassy videos I want to film, all about living your best life on a budget, and I can't flipping wait. But yeah, going forward, I don't think I should be allowed in Homesense again, because I go in there for one thing, I come out with 10 things. It's actually ridiculous, but I loved everything I got. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, I upload every single Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday, which means I will see you again for a new video very, very soon. And yeah, I love you very much, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Mwah. Bye!